Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are all staying corona free out in these streets. If you are out in these streets, but you really shouldn't be out in these streets, but in case you are, I hope you're being safe. I am going to do this try on / haul y'all been asking me for. To be honest, y'all know I run from the camera. I don't really like being in front of the camera, but that hasn't really been working out for me, so I'm gonna give you what you want. I'm gonna give the people what they want. Let's go. We're gonna start out by checking out what's on the rack. Alright, so I guess I can do accessories first. So first off, back to school is right around the corner. If you haven't already, check out our backpacks on iscalapparel.com. We also have fannies. Then we got the bags too, which is what I'm rocking right now. So let's go up here and then we'll get into the apparel. So, if you haven't already checked out the neck gaiters on the site, that's what this is. I had to get one. I'm not going to try this on for you guys because there's plenty of models trying it on the website, and I don't want to mess up my makeup because I spent a while on it. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is what it is. Okay. Next, I've got this little number right here. This is perfect for if you're gonna work out and do a little bit of physical activity. It's nice, it's light, it has wicking properties, so it's gonna keep you nice and cool. And then it's got the cute little bralette to go with it. And it's a crossback. It's got the little A on the back, so it's gonna be real cute. I can't wait to try this on. Also have another set for working out. We've got the Imagine Often Stay Curious shorts. Again, that really nice material, super soft. It's gonna keep you nice and cool while you work out. And then we got the matching bralette, so wow. Next, for my swimmers out there, which is not me, for all my swimmers out there, we got the swimsuits. Real cute, straight like that. I've actually got one on the rack that I've worn to go on a boat. Got in the water, didn't really work out, but you know, still here. Thank God, still here. But here's the one I've worn already. This one's on the site too. It's got that cute marbled effect going on and the matching bralette, so super cute. Next, we've got the Project Luminous top, which is super, super cute. Great message on it. I could read it to you if you want. You said you want me to read it to you? I can read it to you. That's not a problem. So it says, Project Luminous Dedication. This research is dedicated to young women who have interest in traditionally male-dominated trades across the globe, but more specifically to young girls who have overlapping interests in tech and fashion. In the future, I hope to see young women flourishing as inventors, designers, and scientists that will progressively change our world for the better. To every little black girl that has a dream, has ever been called a nerd or a weirdo, this research is dedicated to you too. That's what it says. And this shirt just kind of came from my thesis research when I did my master's at the U of A. And I just wanted to carry that with me because it was a lot of work. And I did have a group of girls that I got a chance to do the research study with. So in case they wanted to have something to remember the research study by, I just created the shirt. Okay, then we got the Earth is Getting Home. That one's pretty poppin'. It's got the little earth at the back. Real cute. And then we've got our Caldroid girl here, Ringer. Super nice. Super, super soft. This one is really soft. I can't wait to wear that one. And then I've got the crop pullover for the ladies. Super, super cute. It's a hoodie. and it goes with these pants I have on. You'll get a chance to see them in a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to put on these items for you, and you can actually see what they look like on me. And I'm going to start with the first outfit that I have on, you know, just a little snag, you know. Alright, let's go.